Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with a little behind the scenes video. Right now I'm showing you my current new recording setup. We're using a 3rd gen Focusrite Solo. And in the chain we also have a Cloudlifter, which is a mic preamp, which adds that, that little bit of kick that it needs, a little bit of gain. And we're running all that, of course, through 2 XLR cables. And of course, my mic of choice is the Technica AT2005, which allows you to use either USB or XLR. Highly recommend this mic. You should get one. And I always run a foam windscreen on it. Another big change to my setup here is I have a floor-mounted mic boom. I kind of got sick of all the keyboard sounds and all the noise traveling through the desk into my mic. So I figured, why not just put it on the floor and do like a drummer's kind of mic setup. Previously, I used one of those mic arms that kind of connects to your desk, but I always found them kind of janky and they just didn't work well for me. So I figured, next best thing, use what a drummer uses. Okay, I think that's it for the video today. Thanks for watching as usual. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, all that jazz. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace and aloha.